Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Cuphead character, and this time it's going to be the Goat Axeman. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw his eyes, and we're going to draw his mean brow first. So just draw like a little angle like this. Okay, and then from here we're going to come down for his eyeball. Okay, and then we're going to close it off, just make like a straight little slant right there. That's actually going to be part of his hat. And then from here we're going to draw the same curve here. Just extend it, close that off as well. And then now up here, we'll draw one line. And then we're going to draw another curve like this. I know it's a little bit tricky. And then right here, we're going to see his other eyeball. Just kind of close it off like that. It's a very complicated shape. And now for his finish off the eyeball. So just a little straight and then angle right here, and I'll shade it in. And then on the other side, we can only see a little bit. So I'll just shade that in. And then from there, we can draw his forehead right here just a little bit. And again, just extend this line out for now, okay? And we'll come back to that later. So from here, just draw a line back to his face. And then right here is going to be his nose. And then from here, come over here and just draw like a line coming down. Okay, so it's like a big arc. And then from here, we're going to continue the snout. Okay, and then we're going to come up. Now we're going to curve it. Just kind of follow the previous curve. Okay, because he's making that little grin. And then his teeth just straight across. And then just two lines like that. And on the corners, I'll shade that in a little bit. Back here. So for his ear, just kind of come out, curve it back in. Just a little bit curve right there, and a little bit of detail on his ear. Okay, and then from there, now we can draw his hat. So we're gonna come straight up, and then just come back down, right where his eyeball is. Okay, and then from there, we're gonna right here, we're gonna draw one of his horns. Okay, and now for his hat, so we're gonna come down all the way to a little point here, curve it, and then we're gonna curve it back into his ear. And then for his other horn, which is gonna be easy, so it's just gonna be on the other side. And now for his little goatee, little beard, draw two lines and then just kind of curve it. Kind of close it off. Okay, and then from there now we can draw his neck. So just draw two lines like this, and now we're gonna draw his clothing. So right here, just kind of come straight down, just give it a little bit curve for his little suspenders, and then we're gonna go back up. Okay, and then we're gonna draw a little button there, and then on the other side, kind of the same thing. Another one going back up, and this is going to be over his shoulder, so we'll just draw a little curve like that. And then another button here. Okay, and then from the bottom here, we'll just curve it, and here just continue it and then loop it back in. And then this one, we're going to curve it. Before you loop it back in, just draw here because it's got a little tummy going on there. And then now we'll loop it back in. Okay, so now we can move on to his arm. So going back up here, just gonna curve, and then I'm gonna curve here. Just give it some thickness and just kind of make it a little bit wider. And then here, just draw another line. That's gonna be his body. Okay, and then now we're gonna draw his little fur here. And then for his arm, for his hand, and curve up 1 and 2, and curve this way. This is actually going to be his axe, and then just come straight down. Okay, and now we can draw the axe. So we can draw 2 lines like this, curve this way, and then opposite curve on the other side. And then now we're going to extend it, just keep going, close it. Okay, and then now for the axe, 1 arc, and then another one, and then this will be on the inside. So just draw another curve. Okay, and then here just extend that handle piece a little bit more. Okay, and then from there, let's draw the other arm. So here, just gonna go 1, and again, same thing, right? Just same thickness, and it's a little bit wider at the end. Now for his hand, this one's gonna be easier, so we're gonna come out and just curve it back in like this, and then on the bottom we'll just curve it back, and then we're gonna have another finger here. So for his shorts, we're just gonna come down with this line here, and then we'll draw another one on this side. Okay, and then we're gonna come out, and then we're gonna come down with this curve, and then on this side as well. So this one will just kind of come in a little bit more, and again, same kind of curve, just curve it this way. And then we're going to go back up. This one as well, we're going to go back up. And then we're going to close it off. Same curvature as the other one. So it's like a little bow. And then his leg's going to be really easy. So we just, from the bottom here, we're going to just draw 1 curve all the way down. That's going to be his heel. And then here we're going to come out, same curve. And then down here, we just go across. I'm going to curve it up. Just connect it back to that point. Just draw a little line there. And then we're going to finish it off. Just draw the opposite curve as this one. We'll close that off. Okay, so for this side, same thing, but it's going to be a little bit bent. So it's going to be a little corner here, come down all the way to his heel. And then here we're going to come out, down. Again, the bottom of the foot. Now just close it off. Line for his toe, and then again, same curve, opposite curve as that one. And now we need to finish off the hat, right? We almost forgot about the hat. So this one's just gonna curve, just kind of make a little curve like this right here, and then right here we're gonna continue this line here. Okay, and then it's gonna be continuing this line here. And that's it for this Goat Axeman from Cuphead. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.